Welcome to FxMath Lumina. In this guide, we explore the Add Instance dialog where you configure every aspect of a new trading instance before deploying it live or in paper mode. The Add Instance dialog has 10 sections. Load Config lets you pick saved optimizer configurations. Symbol and Timeframe sets your trading instrument. Walk Forward defines training and prediction windows. Label Generation controls how trade signals are created. Model configures LightGBM parameters. Filters apply trend, ADX, and direction rules. Risk sets position sizing. Breakeven and trailing manage stop-loss behavior. Trading hours restrict when the instance trades. And meta handles the order comment, magic number, and paper trading toggle. Starting from the top, Load Config gives you a drop-down listing all saved configs from the Best Configs folder. Click Load Best from Optimizer to load the best result from your last optimization run. All fields auto-fill instantly. For symbol, enter the base symbol like XAUUSD. The Auto button scans MetaTrader 5 for matching symbols handling broker suffixes like XAUUSDb or XAUUSDfx. Choose your time frame from M1 to D1. Label generation offers two methods. Dual scenario uses ATR-based SL and TP resolution. Price direction uses simple close comparison. Set your SL multiplier, which defaults to 1 times ATR, and TP multiplier defaulting to 2 times SL. The ATR period defaults to 14. Price ahead sets how many bars forward to look for labeling. For the LightGBM model, configure in estimators controlling boosting rounds, max depth for tree complexity, min samples leaf, and most importantly, min confidence, the threshold the model must reach before placing a trade, defaulting to 55%. Filters protect your trading. The trend filter uses SMA or EMA with configurable period. ADX threshold skips low trend environments, defaulting to 20. Direction lets you trade both directions or restrict to buy only or sell only. The break-even and trailing stop section moves your stop loss to entry once price reaches a certain percentage of the take-profit distance or trails it, keeping a buffer as price moves in your favor. For risk management, set your fixed lot size, the contract size, and MT5 lots defaulting to 0.01. Trading hours lets you restrict trading to specific windows like 8 to 17 or 8 to 12, 13 to 17. Leave empty for 24-hour trading. Finally, under comment magic and mode, set an order comment label sent to MetaTrader 5. Assign a magic number, which is auto-allocated or manual, and toggle paper trading for a dry run with no real orders. Click Confirm to create the instance. It appears in the Live Trading tab with status stopped. Click Play to start. That is the Add Instance dialog. Visit lumina.fxmath.com to get your lifetime license for $299. FxMath Lumina, configure, confirm trade.